Hello friends and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to draft course descriptions. First of all, make sure you have ChatGPT on your browser and you are logged in. So now, in order to draft a course description, first we need to select a course. In our case, we are selecting search engine optimization. So now we will be writing a prompt regarding our course. So here's the prompt. Create a course description for a basic search engine optimization course. You can also include the duration of the course. Make sure that the course will last for about, let's say, 3 months. Now you can also write in some specific things regarding the course. For example, I'm writing in include basic SEO strategies, technical SEO strategies, and on-page SEO strategies. Now hit enter and let's wait for a while. Here you can see that ChatGPT has given me the course title, the duration of the course, and the course description as well. Over here, it has also broken down the course into key pointers. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.